I'm and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the applications, the basic applications for the first palm in section 1, 8 palms of my 64 palm form from Bagua Kuntao Silat. And we have my son Trevor here to help us out with the demonstration so you can get an idea of these. Remember, these are just basic applications, basic self-defense applications that you can utilize and learn yourself from video, which I'm going to show in detail. Front, lifting palm, when you sink, allow your weight to drop, to grasping palm, to pressing palm, continue to sink, and your palm stop just at your jaw. That movement is excellent for self-defense. It's where you learn to sink your weight, relax, drop, and begin to move using your center and your mass to affect all of your hands. Hand positions, foot positions, and every movement you do. From the side, it's you also extend your head, slightly tilt your hips, bend your knees, and get yourself basically in a ready position to affect any type of footwork in any direction you choose. But it's greatly dropping your weight in a particular way that allows you to project force and accept force in any manner that you need. So you'll see in self-defense applications that often they show you the defense for somebody grabbing your arm. Now, honestly, you get this a lot, and people will tell you, you just pull your arm between the thumb and the finger and just pop it out. And you can certainly do that, but if they're a lot stronger than you, and he's very strong, he's stronger than me, you're going to pull it, and they're not going to do it, or especially in a real altercation where they're on it, they're pulling you, or they're trying to punch you, you're going to have problems. So first, if they're not trying to punch you, you know it. They're just manhandling you for whatever reason. As a man, that's generally not the case. If they grab you, they're going to punch you. But as a woman, they may grab you by the arm and try to manhandle you and pull you away. You don't wish to go, and they're so much stronger than you that trying to jerk through their hand isn't working. You can use this movement, which we saw here. You can see he's putting it on. Is you rise up, and anytime you have a double movement, you can have a split movement, meaning one hand can do this, and the other hand can do that. It's the same movement, it's just at different times. When you do that movement, you rise up, and you're sinking, lifting hand, pressing hand, and you come out. Now, even if he's having it as hard as he can, and he has an extraordinary grip, you see it doesn't take much effort on my part to have him release that grip. And as well, so if you do it quickly and he's jerking, I did it too quickly, use my center pop, you got pop loose. But you do it doesn't take much because you put him in the weakest position possible, and I'm using my body weight to sink and drop on him to break it loose while at the same time doing this movement. So when you do that movement, that pops loose. Again, it's only for a quick grab or a restraint. But again, as a man, most of the time, when somebody grabs you, they either grab your arm or they grab your shirt to stabilize you. What's happening, this hand's coming. When that happens, simply go into lifting palm, one side or the other, or both, depending upon the application you're going to utilize from this first palm movement. So when that happens, you see the punch coming, and you see me. I turn towards it, because if I turn away, it's going to loop in and hit. This is your typical swing punch. But you know, in this system, that's the other thing. You need to take up space. Take up the person's space, move forward. That's what this is doing. You can see you're crowding in, using. So if he grabs you, immediately you take up the space, which sets you up for the next move. This is rising, while sinking, great lifting palms. Lifting palms is going to be 30 degrees out to the side of your body, and then grasping palm, sinking. You're going to do that same movement in the self-defense application. You'll see with a straight punch, it's easier to defend against with these movements because our turning and twisting movements will naturally deflect any incoming punch. Although if it's a looping punch, like I said, you'll have to orient yourself centerwise with the path in order to deflect it. But when you have that 30 degrees off of your perpendicular, then you'll find when a punch comes, it's simply this. Naturally, you can do this, but this is an entry and a barrier to the follow-up punch, which is inevitable to come. And remember, we're sinking here as these are rising. And then the next thing is the real offensive capability of this movement, where you have grasping hands and you're taking up this space by affecting this kind of movement and grabbing the neck and head root. You see, and you're still sinking. You have to make sure that your head is below his head, and you're going to headbutt yourself on him. We don't use our foreheads. We don't want that whiplash energy going into our neck and shearing that if it's a heavy strike. So what we're going to do is, once you go up, grasping hands behind the neck, and it's clasped like this, not interlaced, but like this, grasping hands, and remember you're sunk, and your head just goes straight into his nose. In this way, if you're sideways to him or you're off, you can also go straight into his temple. But it's that dropping moment, that relaxation movement that we're doing, and it happens at once, like a jolt. This practice that we're doing slowly is so you can relax, and when you need to move it, you relax and do the movement all at once, so it's that movement. So, same thing as entered. If he's grabbing you, and the punch is coming, and then immediately, and you can see we got a little sideways, so I headbutted directly into his temple, because the punch is coming. If not, he's grabbing, and I can't effect off, or even if I do, when I do that, then the punch comes, I block, and go straight into him. I've seen in the French Quarter of New Orleans past life, when I was doing private investigations, a woman half the size of a bouncer who had manhandled her, picked her up, brought her outside, set her in the street, and decided he was going to lecture her on what she was doing wrong. And she simply reached up, grabbed him, headbutted him, knocked him out completely. She moved that quickly. It was perfect. To me, it was obvious she had training from someone. Don't know what she did. She probably weighed 120. He weighed at least 260. And it was a sight to see. This technique is much more powerful than you think. And it utilizes the movements that you practice in the form every time. Somebody grabs you, if you can't, just get away. If you see your punch coming, and then immediately headbutt. Again, make sure you're lower. If they're lower than you, you're not using your forehead, you're using the top of your head, so that way your neck and spine stay straight. Sucker punches. This works well for sucker punches, not just grabbing a shirt or anything like that. This also works for the typical intimidation grab where somebody grabs your shirt and you're like this, you just come up immediately if you wish or you think there's enough of a threat to do that. But you don't have to. If you can just affect him, if you can't get the inside, if he's much stronger than you, you're too small and weak, and you hit that, and he doesn't let go, I hit it too hard. I always power my moves with my center, so it's a much harder hit than it appears on video. But if you're too weak and you can't affect that grab, you can also use the elbows, which allows him to sinking down, and you can see, I use very little force. He couldn't hold it. All the leverage is with me, and I'm sinking, and all my body weight is in my palms as I'm rising. My feet literally feel the pressure of my palms pushing up on his elbows, or rising up. My body weight is supporting my forearms as he moves forward. But like I said, if you're talking like I'm talking to you, and you affects a strike, you just enter, rising like this. This is covering for the other fist, and just go immediately into the headbutt. And make sure your body mechanics are correct, or you can hurt yourself. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and please go to my website, www.popsigung.com. That's POPSSIGUNG, where you can talk about it on the forums, or simply look at my blog and look at my other videos. You can also look at my other video as to where this move came from, the simple movement came from, in the basic expression of section 1, or the first 8 palms of my 64 palm form in Bagua Kuntao Silat.